today's video, we're gonna talk about everything about my corsette handbag from Louis Vuitton. So this corsette handbag, I just unboxed them like a couple of days ago, and I posted that one on my birthday special. So if you haven't watched that video yet, please do consider watching that video. It's a lot of goodies there, guys. And of course, this Louis Vuitton corsette, I used them 2 times already, so I think this is the right time that I give you like a little review. First thing first, we're gonna talk about the features of the handbag. So this handbag is a top handle handbag, so it's in canvas monogram in the Damier Azur, and of course with vachetta leather and with gold hardware. So this is considered as a top handle handbag, guys, and I gonna consider this one as a small handbag. It's not medium, it's not mini as well, so it's a small size handbag, and the size and dimension of this handbag is about 26 cm across, and then 17 cm the height, and then here on the side the thickness is about 10 cm. Top handle here is about 7 cm, and then here you have a tassel on the side, and which is detachable, and here you have like a press lock closure which you can open and out easy, and here you have the vachetta leather, and here on the side you have like a little pleats here on the side, and then it's like slightly bigger here underneath, and then getting smaller on the top, and here in the back it looks like you have like a pocket here in the back, but actually you don't have a pocket. And then here on the side you have a detachable tassel, which is like very nice, very cute. And then the tassel you have here Louis Vuitton, and then here inside is a vachetta leather, and then here inside you have like a red lining inside. So here on both sides you have the D-ring where you can attach your strap, and then so you have here in the closure, you can see it's Louis Vuitton Paris. So when you press this one, you can open it, and inside it has a very beautiful canvas lining in pink, light pink. So it's in like pink sakura, so for the Hermes term. And then here in this inside you have a detachable strap, which is only detachable, but it's not adjustable. Let's gonna talk about that one a little bit later. And here you have a back pocket here on the back, which I really like. And here you also have like Louis Vuitton made in France, which I really like. And we're gonna find and here on the side, right on the front, you have here the date code, which it's not a microchip yet. So later on, Louis Vuitton is releasing their new collection with a microchip. So this one is still like the date code, guys, the normal date code. So the strap, guys, is like thin and very long strap, and then also in vachetta leather. And here the clip is gold hardware with Louis Vuitton print right here. So the strap is really long, guys. It's about 122 cm, so it's very long for my liking. So yeah, this is one of the reasons why I hesitate to buy the corsette for a long time. I have tried the corsette several times, and it's only the strap that stopped me to buy this one. Before I ordered the corsette, guys, I already ordered this strap, which is like the vachetta leather, and it's like thicker, and it's the shorter strap, guys, which I really love. So it's like about only 100 cm, and this one I supposed to use it with my other handbags. So I said oh, the only thing that I hate the corsette because of the strap is very long, and since I already have the strap coming, the shorter strap coming, so I said to myself I think this is the right time, this is the signal that I really need to purchase the corsette, guys. So back to the corsette. So the material of the corsette, guys, again is a Damier Azur, which I never have in my collection yet. This is my first Damier Azur in my collection, and it's beautiful. So the Damier Azur, guys, is a chessboard, which is a cream, in between a cream and a gray color, which is very beautiful. And then there are some with a Louis Vuitton print in it, and of course it's so perfect with the Damier Azur and the vachetta leather, which I really love, plus the gold hardware. So it's like a combination made in heaven, guys. Corsette, guys, is the style of this one is like a top handle handbag, which I really love. I only have one top handle in my collection, this Gucci Mormon top handle, guys, in mini, which I really love, because every time I wear this handbag I look like so feminine, so fun, that's why I said oh, I need the corsette, because the corsette is this is the mini version of the Gucci Mormon, and the corsette is slightly bigger than that. So this pandemic, guys, we need to carry more things alcohol, hand sanitizer, or tissue. So you really need to have like a bigger handbag. So this one is a mini, and the corsette is like in small size. So I want to compare to you like a little bit, like, you know, like that. It looks like that. So of course, obviously the corsette is bigger, and then the side also it's taller as well. Yeah, so for sure, like, you know, you can really fit more in the corsette than this mini handbag, guys. So, you know, this is my favorite style, guys, the top hand. So with the vachetta leather, guys, like, you know, the corsette have a lot of vachetta. So, like, you know, it's also one of the reasons why I'm a little bit scared about this handbag. So as you can see here, guys, like, you know, there's like a little spot there. Yeah. So I make a mistake, guys. So when I unboxed this handbag, I saw a little, like, you know, one spot that here, like very, very small spot. And like, you know, I panic, guys. And then next to me, I have like a wet tissue, and I grab the wet tissue and I wipe it like this. I think it's like the instinct or something like that makes me like wipe the wet tissue. And then like I realized, oh my gosh, like, you know, the vachetta leather is so sensitive. I cannot do this. So like, you know, now I decided to protect the vachetta leather before I have like a lot of damage with this handbag, guys. So I have here the Colonel Carbon Pro vachetta protector. So this one, I already sprayed this handbag, guys, but I already have this mark. So like, you know, it's not a big deal for me. It's not a big deal actually. Like, you know, it has everything have a story. So I also already sprayed this strap, guys, because it's vachetta leather. So I know that vachetta leather is really, really sensitive. So it's really something to consider before you buy the corsette handbag, guys, that the vachetta in this corsette handbag is quite a lot. So you need to be careful with that. Oh, the Carbon Pro is really, really effective, because after I sprayed, I tried to wet with water the strap, and amazingly, like, you know, the water just like flow. This one is like, you know, a fresh vachetta leather. I have a treated vachetta. I'm gonna show you guys. So look at this, the difference. So this tambourine, guys, the vachetta is different because, like, you know, this one is already treated and, like, you know, already oxidized. So the color of the vachetta is more ripe and more beautiful. So this one is very, very raw. So, like, you know, in the long run, guys, for if I keep using this handbag, guys, so the vachetta also gonna change. So I gonna love this handbag more and more. So I already used this one 2 times already when I went to the grocery, and the other time is, like, you know, when I have coffee outside. So this handbag is really amazing, guys. I really, really love because it's slightly bigger and it can fit everything, all my necessities I can fit in this one, and the bag itself is very, very light. Style the corset in different ways. You can do like a little bit dressy, and you can also wear this one casually, and you can also wear this one if you want to go in the gym. Like, you know, of course, if you want to do it dressy, you just take out the shoulder strap, guys, and then, like, you know, maybe for me, I prefer to take out the tassel and then just do this one as a top handle handbag, and then, like, you know, so cute with your outfits. And of course, if you want to wear this one casually, you can wear the crossbody handbag and, like, you know, or a shoulder bag, which is, like, you know, like it looks more casual. You can wear with this one with the shorts, jeans, like, you know, dress, or, like, you know, even, like, you know, a cocktail, you know, it's just up to you. It depends. And then they said, like, you know, the Mir Azur is, like, you know, you only wear them for summer. Actually, guys, you can also wear this one in winter, or, like, you know, in the dark color outfits, because the color gray, it's also, like, you know, goes with the black color, guys. So yeah, this is really, really an amazing handbag. So for me, like, you know, I highly recommend Corsette. So the Corsette, guys, is priced at $1,830 US, which for me, it's not that bad, because, like, you know, this one is already substantial for me, and I really like the design. But if you can compare this one with the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in already in epi leather, it's only like very small difference, guys, maybe like $50 US different. One of the problem that I've seen in this handbag, guys, because it has no fit, guys, and it's not structured at all, it's like soft. So when you put this one in top of the table, it doesn't really stand up, you know, especially when you put something inside, and then, like, you know, it's, you don't put properly the things. So, like, you know, like, it's just, like, you know, like, if I store this one here in my closet, it's just like falling over, guys. It really doesn't stand up, like, you know. That is the one hiccup that I complain about this handbag. So, like, you know, I really need to find solution how to put the or, like, you know, put this one in the table if in case, like, you know, I go out. So I think I'm gonna buy like something to hang here, so that I just hang my handbag in the table. But then if you like, you know, or like, you know, you make it lie down like this. But if you make it lie down like this, it's like, you know, the problem with that as well is like, you know, your handbag gonna become dirty more. So like, you know, I really wish that this handbag have a fit, guys. So that's one of the complaint that I have with this handbag. But the structure is really, really cute. Look at this, like, you know, it's really well done. So let's find out what can fit in this corsette, guys. So I have here my mini pochette, so it slides perfectly. And of course, I have here my Zoe wallet, which my favorite wallet, and we slide it in there. And of course, I have here my key pouch, slides in perfectly here as well. Yeah, I think we put here on the side. I just need to arrange properly, guys. So yeah, slides in perfectly. And of course, I have here my cell phone. So I think I have here a biggest cell phone, guys, from Apple. So yeah, the smaller cell phone, guys, can fit in here. Yeah, even the big size I think can still fit, but just like a little bit tight. So even the biggest iPhone can fit here on the back. So I have like my iPhone 12, which is the small one, so it fits here perfectly, so no problem. So I also need to bring my shopping bag, guys, which is like, you know, one of my necessity. It's one of the reason, like, you know, I need a bigger bag because I always bring this one. So if in case it's raining or something like that, I bring this shopping bag and I use this one as a cover for my handbag, so it fits perfectly there. And of course, I have here my Louis Vuitton from, like, you know, my mini pochette, for my pochette accessoire, multi pochette accessoire. So like, you know, which holds my car key. So it still slides in there perfectly, guys. So yeah. So and let's close this one. So the handbag, it's so full, but it's still like have like something here. You can still put more here underneath. So yeah, so it's really, really accommodate a lot of things. And since even though, like, you know, I put a lot inside already, but still, like, you know, the handbag is not that heavy because, like, you know, the handbag itself is very, very light, guys. So in total, this handbag is really, really, really good, can fit a lot, and the shape is really, really nice. So, you know, I highly, highly recommend a corsette for you guys. So if you don't want, like, you know, like too sensitive, it's also available in the Mir Ibin, which is, like, you know, the leather of the top handle is, like, you know, dark brown. So, like, you know, that one is more easy to handle and easy to take care of. For today, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. And for those who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do consider subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell, and of course share this one to your friend. And have a luxury day, everyone. Bye.